Hi, I'm Bernie Schmidt, President of TorontoSmallBusiness.com, and our mission is to help you grow your business by turning your website into a high-performance sales rep. Market research shows that over 80% of buyers, whether business-to-business or consumer, are now researching online prior to committing to purchase. This means that for most of us, the Internet is a very important source of prospects. And the good news is that the Internet is a great leveler. A small business can compete successfully against larger businesses in capturing Internet traffic. The problem is, for the money that owners have invested in their websites, most websites will never be found. And the business owner is faced with a situation where they are receiving low or no return on their website investment. The solution to this is to treat your website like a sales rep. Give it a job description with measurable objectives. And the job description would have these three elements. The first is capture. Make sure that your website is search engine friendly so that it captures traffic. And by search engine friendly, it means that the website has relevant content arranged in a way that search engines understand, and there are other websites pointing to it through links, essentially voting for the website and confirming that, yes, it is a popular authority for that kind of content. The next objective is to convince a visitor to stay on your site. This means that, in addition to being search engine friendly, your content is informative and engaging and encourages the visitor to read, watch a video, explore other web pages, and move them to the point where they are ready to do something more. And that is the third part of the job description, which is convert. You want the visitor to take their hand off the mouse and start using the keyboard to enter their email address, to sign up for a free seminar, or download a PDF with useful tips for a report. And now you're at the point where the website has done its job. You now have made a connection with a business prospect, and you have contact info. With your website doing these three things, capture, convince, and convert, now you'll have the question, how do I measure performance? Well, Google has a wonderful tool called Google Analytics. It's free, and after you've installed it, you'll get a really good picture of what is working on your website and what is not, and what changes you'll have to make to improve your site's effectiveness and performance. To learn more, visit us at TorontoSmallBusiness.com or email me. We're ready to help you get started by offering a free, no-obligation introductory consultation. Simply email me your website address and we'll choose a mutually convenient time to talk about what it's going to take to turn your website into a high-performance sales rep. Thank you for your time.